As this year is almost over, once again, it is my great pleasure and privilege to thank you all, our dear friends and benefactors. Your loving support and kindness over the years have been a source of hope and inspiration for us all, the Sisters of Mary, and the 21,000 children we care for. Though the global economic crisis affects our finances, but we thank God that you are all one with us. Your contributions have enabled us to continue with our mission. In the countries where we serve, many of the places were devastated by typhoons and flooding and drought in many parts of Tanzania. And this has increased poverty, unemployment, child abuse, child exploitation,